What's up, everybody? This is Ghost 517, the Barber. I just recently got this in the mail. I'm gonna do an unboxing for it, let you guys see what it is. Let's check it out. Something that I highly recommend for everybody. This is my second one. It's the cash clamp. Here's my old one. It's the Milan Money Clamp. I absolutely love this. Let me show you the new one. Here it is. Comes in a really nice box. moneyclamp.com. A little instruction booklet. Saying thank you for your purchase of the money clamp, the world's only money clip that works, holds cash or credit card securely with no bending, stretching, or weakness. Created with years of engineering and refinement, the multi-patented money clamp, cash clamp, gives you a tight, secure grip with less bulk than any other product. Instructions: fold both arms back, squeeze and insert folded cash, close both arms. This comes with a 1-year warranty, which is how I got mine. This one right here. My old one, I put way too much stuff in it and actually bent. I wore out the spring in here, or whatever is used to keep everything securely fastened down. This one came with a wallet, but I had to use my own. I didn't really care for the wallet that came with it. It came with a card holder similar to this, but it wasn't the Louis. I definitely recommend this to everybody. I absolutely love it. I haven't had any problems with it. Normally I take this. Let me grab a couple dollars. Okay, normally this is how I work it. I take my money, any cash that I do carry, which I don't normally carry a lot of cash anyway. I take it, fold it right around my wallet. And clamp it on. And it holds. It holds really well. It's definitely secure. The reason I called and got a replacement was because I hold too many cards in this wallet, in this card holder, and it wouldn't securely hold my cash anymore. Which there is a set amount of cards plus cash you're supposed to be holding with this, and I didn't follow the directions or the recommended number, so as you can see, mine doesn't hold like this one anymore. That's mine after about 11 months use of holding way too much stuff. So they sent me a replacement for free. So I definitely recommend Cash Clamp. It's a great company. Holding my money. It takes some force to pull it out. You can hold a couple dollars, or you can securely clamp all your cards into your card holder. This isn't normally how I use it right here, but here we go. Either like that, normally I do it from down here. I can't even pull it off. There we go. But this is the Milan Money Clip. From moneyclamp.com. I definitely would recommend this to everybody. It's a great product. And that's all for today, folks. This is Ghost 517 the Barber. Everything barberandmore.com. Have a good one.